Yeah, we just got hit. Going on. My boy Larry is back, guys. What's up, Larry?
What's up?
You ready to get it out the way?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. Teamwork, man. There you go. Hold up, they gotta see it, man. We gotta crush it. Beast mode activated, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys. I'll see you at the location, guys. Let's get it. What you think, Larry? What you think about New York, man?
Don't even know that New York.
Almost feels like Memphis over here. Yeah. The big city, New York. Really hot today, guys. But it's going up. Right? It's going up. Woo. It's going up, guys. Ninja bounce house combo. Got my boy Larry right here, ready to quit. He said it's too hot. No, I was just playing. He didn't say that. It's going up.
Close the strap. Close the front up.
Nah.
Close.
You good? Ready for the next one, Larry?
Yeah, no.
We're gonna go get some lunch first, guys. We gotta refuel up, but this one is ready. We already checked everything. We checked the blowers, the stakes. It's ready, guys. Let's go. On to the next one. All right, guys, that's it. We're done. We're gonna go to the next one. Man, it is hot today, guys. It's super hot, but we're gonna get it done. All right. See you in the next one. Let's go. All right, Larry. So, you wanna knock out the next one, or you wanna take a little lunch break?
It don't matter which one you gonna do.
Well, guys, I guess we're gonna kind of regain some of the energy. It don't look hot, but it is hot. It's super hot. My whole shirt is already wet, all of it. So we're gonna get some drinks, some cold drinks. He wants a beer, but
I don't drink beer.
I told him beer is not good.
I don't drink beer. Don't play with me.
Plus, we don't drink beer at the job, guys.
I don't drink beer.
So we're gonna get probably a Gatorade, some water, and something that we can eat so we can have some more energy. All right, so we'll see you over there later. All right, let's go.
No, you know damn well I don't like no beer.
All right. Yeah, we just got hit. Oh, hold up. Yeah, we just got hit. Huh? No, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Oh, you good? You good?
Oh,
You didn't do no damage to mine.
can you see if you can knock it?
Oh man.
See if you can knock it back.
Nah.
I can't count. No, put that thing up there.
Her truck got messed up. It's just a little scratch though.
Thank you. This don't call
Yeah.
damn woman.
Nah, you good. you didn't hurt my truck though.
No.
But you hurt.
I hurt me though.
Yeah, you hurt yours though. Oh man.
I'll get it fixed.
You be safe.
All right.
Oh, check this out, guys. Hopefully we make it. We got a titty. We got a titty.
I didn't have nothing.
No. I was just checking my tire. I got a titty. Hopefully I can still make it home. But
got what
but
in
you
it?
didn't do that.
Oh,
No, that's my tires already old.
oh.
But yeah.
I'll get that. My husband.
This is you can get the bumper from Certificate.
Oh,
Change the
down
bumper.
Holmes Road.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but
But that's where I can get it from.
yeah.
Certificate. Okay.
You didn't do no big damage to your truck. It's just a scratch.
Scratch. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you be safe. Okay. All right, guys, we front row.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
So we're here at the next event, and we already got the tarp laid out, and the event starts at 4. We still got time. Let's go to the other water slides. Got Larry right here ready. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna help him out. Ready, Larry?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Ready? BBC is already clean. Alright. Gonna slide down. Oh yeah, it's hot in here, guys. Let's get out. Alright. guys, we are done. They got 2 other water slides, and they got the food truck right there. Time to wrap it up. Guys, so we're done. As you can see, I'm all sweaty, but we're done, guys. Check it out, Princess Castle, and that's about it. We still got 1 more water slide to pick up. Now I'm gonna call the lady because I do have another bouncer to pick up tomorrow. So if she says we could just pick it up tomorrow, then that'll give us a good break. Cause today is just dry hot. That's what it is. I thought it was humid, but no, it's dry hot.
Yeah,
that's what it is. It's dry hot. That's why my shirt is all wet. My everything's wet. My shoes wet. My socks wet. My pants is wet. Everything wet. I'm just joking. Gotta edit that part. All right, guys, we're gonna roll out, and we'll come back for it. The party ends at 7, so we'll come back for it later. But it's gonna sprinkle a little bit.
It's sprinkling in. Let's go.
So, but it's just a small cloud. It don't supposed to rain hard, but the bouncer's gonna get wet. That's the only problem. But it is what it is. We have to deal with it. All right. This is the type of season. All right. So gotta change shirts, guys. As you can see, I'm all wet. And Larry.
You're wet if you don't get your ass in the truck because it's starting to rain.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna let them have fun. The kids have fun. Everybody have fun. So let's go. Hey, Larry.
That's the easy job. Let's
Easy?
get out of here. Yeah.
You being quiet all day, man.
Nigga, I'm tired. Let's go.
That's
I'm trying to
weird.
make some more money.
This ain't the Larry I know.
This is hilarious, you know. I just want to make more money so we can
Yeah.
get the fuck up out of here because I need money. So let's
Okay.
get on about our
You
business.
still coming tomorrow to work?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, you know we gotta pick up another back.
Okay.
The one that we drop off first.
Okay.
We gotta pick it up tomorrow.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, and then we gotta pick up this at leave the house 6:30. Come by cause the party ends at 7. That's what she told me.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right, and we're gonna recharge, guys. We got our electrolytes. Gotta stay hydrated, guys. And we're not even sponsored by Powerade, none of that. But you know, oh, it's kind of blurry. But you get the idea. And the right there.
Yeah, they get out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta stay hydrated. No beer, right?
No beer, because you know I don't drink beer, so don't play with me. Get
Only-
this truck.
Only Bud Light.
I don't even drink. I don't drink beer.
We finna roll. We finna get some rest. All right.